This model is poised to make waves as the flagship model in the company's Arena series. This is a big day for Maruti Suzuki, as the new SUV is expected to bring new excitement to one of the most competitive segments in the Indian market. The Maruti Victoris will be offered with a variety of powertrain options. A 1.5-litre NA gasoline engine with mild hybrid technology and a powerful 1.5-litre hybrid unit. The NA gasoline version also has a factory-fitted CNG option with an underbody tank. Like the Grand Vitara, the Victoris offers all-wheel drive with a 1.5-litre NA automatic transmission. Transmission options include a 5-speed manual, a 6-speed torque converter automatic, and an e-CVT for the hybrid version. The Maruti Suzuki Victoris comes with comfort and technology features such as 8-way adjustable, ventilated front seats, a sunroof, and 60W fast charging support. It also comes with the AI-powered automatic Alexa voice assistant, Suzuki Connect, which offers over 60 connected car features, and an 8-speaker surround sound system. The new Maruti Suzuki Victoris will be available in 10 different color options. The palette includes Arctic White, Splendid Silver, Eternal Blue, Sizzling Red, Magma Gray, Bluish Black, and Mystic Green, as well as 3 stylish dual-tone options: Eternal Blue with a black roof, Sizzling Red with a black roof, and Splendid Silver with a black roof. Some of the new Victoris key features include a Dolby Atmos surround sound system, a segment-first intelligent power tailgate with gesture control, 64-color ambient lighting, and Alexa voice assistant support. The SUV also comes with an underbody CNG tank, providing increased cargo space. The vehicle is equipped with a 26.03 centimeters, 10.25-inch, fully digital instrument cluster. It will be equipped with modern digital features, including Alexa Auto integration, and will be the company's first car to offer Level 2 ADAS on Indian roads. Safety is paramount, with 6 standard airbags and a 5-star BNCAP rating. Powertrain options will include gasoline, CNG with underbody storage, and a powerful hybrid system with a heavily localized battery. Maruti Suzuki also plans to export the Victoris to over 100 countries. In terms of safety, the SUV will be equipped with multiple airbags, ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, hill descent control, a tire pressure monitoring system, ESP with hill start assist, and ISOFIX child seat mounts. Maruti Suzuki's commercial vehicle lineup is already quite strong, with SUVs such as the Brezza, Grand Vitara, Fronx, crossover SUV, and Jimny, as well as MUVs such as the Invicto, Ertiga, and XL6. The arrival of the Escudo will bring the number of commercial vehicles in India to 7. you.